Beautiful soul, if your chest feels tight or your mind won't slow down, don't start a practice yet. Do this first. Most people try to push through, but your nervous system is already overwhelmed. Let's begin with a simple breathing technique to regulate yourself. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position or lay on your back. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. 2 more times. Inhale through your nose. Let it out. 1 more time. Inhale. Let all go. Now close your eyes or soften your gaze. Follow my cues. In 3, 2, 1, pause. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. In 2, 3, 1, pause. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Follow this pattern for a couple of moments. And as you breathe, notice the places your body are touching a solid surface. Feet, legs, hips, your back. Beautiful. You're doing great. Resume your natural breath and notice what shifted and what remained the same. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and start your practice from here. You may choose one of my own videos in the channel. Thank you for being here today, for practicing with me. Namaste.